Welcome to Lux Autos, where power meets perfection. Today, you're about to witness the legend that redefines American muscle, the Black Ford Mustang. A machine built for thrill, crafted for dominance, and designed to turn every road into its own cinematic moment. Get ready, because the journey starts now. The Black Mustang stands in silence, but its presence speaks louder than any engine could. This is more than a muscle car. It's a statement of power, design, and pure American spirit. As the lights hit its deep obsidian paint, the reflections glide like liquid night, showcasing every curve crafted for performance. This machine doesn't just move, it dominates the space around it. From the moment you see it, the Mustang pulls you in with its bold front fascia and aggressive stance. The LED headlights carve through the darkness with sharp precision, giving the car a fierce, predatory gaze. Every inch of its bodywork reflects strength, speed, and confidence. This is the car that has defined generations, now reborn in black armor. As the camera glides across the hood, the iconic lines shape a story of engineering mastery and timeless attitude. When the engine ignites, the sound is deep, controlled, and full of raw emotion. It's the heartbeat of a true muscle icon. Every rev sends a wave of energy that you can feel even before you step inside. The Black Mustang doesn't just start. It awakens like a beast stretching its claws before the hunt. The exhaust note is a blend of power and elegance, loud enough to thrill, yet refined enough to respect. The mirrors reflect the world around it, but in their glossy surface, everything looks sharper, cleaner, more dramatic. The black finish enhances every reflection, turning simple moments into cinematic shots. As sunlight glides across the doors, the metallic sheen reveals hidden textures, creating a visual dance between shadow and shine. Inside the cabin, the experience becomes even more personal. Black leather seats hug your body with comfort and performance-ready grip. The stitching is precise, the dashboard smooth and modern, and the digital cluster displays a symphony of technology and motion. This is where driver and machine become one. The cockpit is designed not just for travel, but for an adventure where every second counts. When the Mustang rolls forward, its movement is controlled and powerful. The suspension grips the road with confidence, giving you the feeling that the world bends around the car rather than the car bending for the world. Every turn feels deliberate. Every acceleration feels intentional. The Black Mustang transforms the road into a stage, and every journey becomes a scene in your own cinematic story.
Under the hood, the powertrain delivers torque with a punch that feels both modern and primal. It's not just fast, it's responsive, intelligent, and balanced. The throttle responds instantly, pushing the car forward with smooth, confident aggression. Whether cruising or launching, the experience remains effortless yet exhilarating. As the camera circles around the rear, the taillights glow with sharp, unmistakable identity. Their triple-bar design stands as a tribute to Mustang heritage, illuminated in crisp red against the deep black paint. The rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips underline the performance DNA, reminding you that this machine wasn't built to follow, it was built to lead. Rolling shots reveal the glossy black body slicing through the air like a shadow in motion. The tires grip the asphalt with attitude, and the wheels spin with mechanical elegance. Every passing frame captures the essence of speed and strength. Even at slow motion, the Mustang feels fast. Even at rest, it feels alive. The front grille with its bold, blacked-out design demands attention. It's not just a part of the car, it's the face of a legend. Air flows through with purpose as the Mustang breathes power with every acceleration. The aerodynamics are shaped for stability, giving the car a planted feel that builds confidence with every kilometer. As the journey continues, the camera takes you closer, closer to the smooth textures of the paint, closer to the tight edges of the design, closer to the soul of the machine. Every detail matters. Every surface is crafted to deliver beauty and performance. The black color doesn't just enhance the car, it transforms it into a moving piece of art. Nighttime shots highlight the Mustang's character even more. Under streetlights, the black paint turns into liquid metal. The body reflects the world in fragments of light, making the car look like a shadow forged from steel. The headlights glow like the eyes of a predator navigating the dark with confidence and control. The Mustang becomes one with the night. As the camera enters the interior again, the soft, ambient lighting glows around the cockpit. Buttons illuminate, screens come alive, and the cabin feels like a futuristic command center. The steering wheel fits naturally in your hands, ready to react instantly to your command. This is a space built for drivers who love the journey as much as the destination. You hear every shift, feel every vibration, and sense every moment of power. The Mustang doesn't just transport you, it transforms you. It makes the road exciting again. It makes the world feel faster, your heart beat louder, and your senses sharper. It reminds you what true driving passion feels like. As we move to the final stretch, the Mustang cruises smoothly, blending style with strength. The reflections on the body remain clean and cinematic. Every angle tells a story of heritage, precision, and innovation. This black Mustang is not just a car, it's a lifestyle, a passion, an emotion that connects every car lover across generations. And as the final shots fade, the Mustang stands once again in silence. Still powerful, still iconic, still unmatched. A symbol of power, a piece of history, and a masterpiece built for the future. The Black Mustang remains a legend, one that will always storm the roads with pride, attitude, and unstoppable energy.